On behalf of Arn and myself, we'd like to thank you for visiting the Seed House today.
Our intent of your visit has been to educate you to ask the right questions. Today's homes are far more complex than in the past. And we're not expecting you to be an engineer or design professional as a result of your visit today, but we do want you to understand the differences, the changes in today's homes. And as you leave here, be able to ask good questions, educated questions to your contractors, your building professional, and your design professionals.
Whether you're building a new home or remodeling an existing home, there are materials and methods available to us today that never existed before.
Today's homes are a multitude of systems. As you've seen through your visit, systems that start with the thermal envelope and they move through the mechanical systems. Understanding that thermal envelope is a critical starting point. We need to know what that envelope is, where it is, and how it's going to perform. There are many different styles of envelopes, but knowing what it is and where it is very critical. And also how that envelope interacts with the occupants in lifestyles within that thermal envelope within that home. All of that lead up to understanding that lead up to designing a good system.
The heating and cooling systems, the ventilation systems, the hot water delivery systems, all need to be matched to the occupant's needs and the building envelope.
And none of this really matters if we don't install it the way we intend. We spend the time to design a good system. We go through the envelope, the systems. Now we need to verify that it's actually being installed the way we intend. Educating our contractors, testing and verifying during the process, visual verifications and inspections. If we design it one way, we need to make sure it is installed relatively close to how we designed it if we want it to perform the way we want it in the end. Also, we can then move on to testing during the process, testing at the end, air infiltration testing, duct leakage testing, fan flow testing, multitude of different tests we can do, but testing at the end helps us have a comfort level that what we've designed, what we've installed is actually going to perform the way we've intended. And over the life of the home that we're using that home, we're actually going to have a good, comfortable, high-performing home as a result of all of our efforts.
I'm Brad Bartholomew.
I'm Arn McIntyre.
And we hope you've learned a lot at the Seed House today and are ready to ask your builder and designer some educated questions.